If you offer day tours, a city sightseeing trip, a sunrise hike, a 3-hour cooking class, you've probably noticed that WP Travel Engine defaults to showing duration in days. That doesn't make much sense for a 4-hour experience. The Activity Tour Booking add-on fixes this by letting you mark any trip as a single-day activity, so the duration displays in hours and the booking experience is tailored specifically for short-form tours. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the Activity Tour Booking add-on installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once that's ready, let's get into it. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Trips and open the trip you want to configure as an activity or single-day tour. You'll land directly on the General tab, where you'll find the Duration Type option. You'll see two choices here. For this tutorial, we'll select Single Day Activity. Choose this for tours that don't require overnight stays. Think city sightseeing tours, rafting experiences, cooking classes, or any experience that wraps up in a few hours. When you select this option, the trip duration is specified in hours and minutes instead of days. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes. Now, go ahead and fill in the rest of your trip details. The process for all of these is the same as setting up a regular multi-day trip, so if you haven't gone through that yet, I've linked that tutorial in the description below. The one section worth highlighting here is date and price. Once you've set your pricing, your activity will be available for booking every day by default. But if you want to offer specific departure dates like fixed tour dates each week, you'll need the Fixed Starting Dates add-on. I've linked a dedicated tutorial for that in the description below. Once you've added your dates, click Save to apply all your changes. Now let's see how this looks for your travelers. Open your trip page on the front end. Right away, travelers can clearly see this is a single-day activity. The booking flow is also a little different from a multi-day trip. When they click the Book Now button, a booking panel slides in from the right side of the screen. Inside, they'll see the traveler categories, pricing, and a date picker calendar to choose their preferred day. And that's it! With just one setting, you can now properly categorize every trip on your site. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're always happy to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.